Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a paper glider. First, grab a standard sheet of paper, about 8.5 by 11 inches. Fold it in half lengthwise, then unfold it to establish a clear center line. Next, take the top two corners and fold them inward so their edges perfectly align with that center crease. Make sure all your folds are really sharp and symmetrical. This is crucial for a good flying glider. Now, let's move on to shaping the wings. Take the entire top point you just created and fold it down so its tip touches the bottom edge of those first two folded corners. Then, fold the new top corners inward once more, making sure they meet perfectly at the center crease. You should have a small, unfolded triangle remaining at the bottom center. This will help with stability. Remember to press all these new creases very firmly for a robust wing structure. All right, we're almost there. Now, fold the entire glider in half along that very first center crease you made, with all the folded sections tucked neatly inside. Next, fold down each wing. Make sure the top edge of each wing aligns perfectly with the bottom edge of the glider's main body. For better lift and control, create small, upward-angled flaps on the trailing edge of each wing. You can adjust these tiny flaps slightly to fine-tune your glider's flight path. It's time for the exciting part, testing your glider. Hold it gently near its center of gravity, which is usually about 1/3 of the way back from the nose. Launch it with a smooth, gentle forward push, rather than throwing it upwards. Watch its flight path carefully for any unexpected dips, dives, or rolls. If it dives, slightly raise the tail flaps. If it stalls, lower them a bit. Small adjustments to the wing flaps, or adding a tiny bit of weight to the nose, can make a big difference for optimal flight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.